Mm.
Administrator has arrived.
Oh no, is this game better played on controller or keyboard and mouse?
Verifying identity.
I mean, she looks cute, but I'm gonna go with him.
You've arrived. What took you so long?
Damn.
Sorry. I was held up. Originium.
A blessing, solely yours, but stolen and tainted. Your fate isn't confined to one path. This time, leave no regrets.
Now we're gonna do it for a cat girl, of course.
Administrator.
Settings, okay. Okay, we're probably gonna make it that. Oh, what? What do you? Okay, maybe the CPU is a problem. I need to look up the vertical sync, okay, shadow quality, texture quality, volumetric. For sure. Seriously? Why won't I? No way. Ambient scene, ambient legal, which is there. Image enhancement. It's not that bad. I would change this one to any, but maybe my CPU ends up being a problem. And considering I'm streaming at the moment, let's lower the music a little bit. Controls. Am I free to go? Okay. I think that's like that. Honestly, respect for not having the motion blur. That's a big plus if you ask me. Okay.
Originium is the pillar of life.
Yep. Let's switch to a controller.
The link that connects everyone. This expedition must not fail.
Now if the controls end up being messy as in looking waves, are you serious? Yeah, I'm gonna need to switch these. Who the fuck dashes on B?
This will be a difficult campaign.
Yeah, we're gonna... Oh, yeah, that... Seriously? Use current easy tool. Show easy tool wheel. I may go to the... Switch operator, switch between source, position mode, switch. There. Damn. Yeah, the dash will have to swap. Definitely. I can just... Let's see the keyboard.
Across when you're ready.
Yeah, we can do the even now section, why not?
The enemy is here. Time to fight.
What's this?
Oh, I forgot something. Okay. Yep.
Angloid. The most alien life form, but never tired. For over 100 years, we resisted their ruin and devastation.
There is gonna be...
The Angloid
That is
will
gonna
win
be
over.
very annoying,
Listen.
possibly.
This challenge cannot stop us.
Get crushed! Take this! Your end awaits.
Okay, that looks probably similar to something.
These flowers are...
A legacy. A tomb. A lonely soul, never meant to bear such burdens. In the end, you chose not to let go.
Yep. We're gonna be saving world only for the cat girl. That's the type of MC I wanna be.
We can no longer retreat. Let's strike forward. Use your true weapon. Forge a path for the living.
So his true power is that he is American, right? And it sure seems that way.
Life always fights back. It is our nature and our fate. Rise from ruin and be reborn in the ashes.
around here? Nope. No. Glad
The
to know it.
end draws closer. Cross this chasm to face your final trial.
Yeah, I doubt it's gonna be my final trial, but sure. Well, that's convenient.
Even you have decided to help me. Hold the line! Let that pass! I barely felt that! Is that all you can do? Stop. Don't go beyond this point. It's dangerous. The pain. Damn. Anger. Try not to move. You might have a fracture.
You're the administrator.
She's still breathing. You can save her. Stay with me, child. We won't leave you.
Name is spelled the administrator, by the way. It's administrator for some reason. Administrator.
Come closer. One more. Name. How about Perlica?
You traveled beyond the stars, through death as chill as the cosmic abyss, yet your heart kept hope alive. For our sake, and for the days to come, you sacrificed yourself. Truth be told, I've always wished that you would find the answer on your own, and find your true self.
Damn. Is ship level? How did I fall for the first character I could? Wait, what the?
Careful, don't get hit. Now, break its arm.
my god, I'm gonna die. Please tell me there's someone who heals. Oh my god. And how was I supposed to dodge that? Yeah, I won't hurt him.
We must stop that countdown. Death is nearing the shore.
And how was I supposed to stop the bloody counter?
Do not forget our promise. I'll be waiting in the north.
I have zero idea what was happening here. Absolute zero idea.
Do not forget your mission. Do not forget who you are.
I remember.
Who are you?
The Administrator.
The administrator, or it's not administrator, it's administrator.
And you are.
I am.
Why do people lock the name at 15 characters? Like, that's something very stupid. And the cat girl is here.
Administrator? Endman? It's alright. The Endman's just a little weak. It's been quite a while.
So is like administrator someone who like receives the end in order to stop it or whatever. I could have taken off his mask at least.
You're awake, Endman.
Sounds so freaking stupid.
It's all right. We're at a safe place.
I gotta say, she's cuter when she's like gross
Where
looking.
am I?
This is the OMV Dijang, the base of Endfield Industries, and our home.
Dijang. Enfield Industries?
Take a deep breath. We can work through this at your pace. This mask is a suppressor for stabilizing your vitals. You've slept for 10 years and your conditions aren't exactly stable yet.
10 years?
I can hardly recall anything. Who are you?
They should have made a child model for her and then
My
like
name is Perlica.
pull her like 10 years.
I'm the supervisor of Endfield
future.
Industries. While you get reacquainted with this place, I will also be in charge of your well-being.
So
You might not remember this either, but you've always been the leader of Endfield Industries. You are the paragon
basically
and most important companion
something
of every Endfielder.
similar to Roberta. A big shot for getting
Apologies.
everything.
My mind's completely blank.
Bro, 10. Well, I know what I'd give for like a day of sleep when bro slept 10 freaking years. He gets
But
his
for
apples
someone
peeled.
like you, this fresh new beginning might just work out. In any case, welcome
You're a
home,
pussy.
Administrator.
Okay, NPCs don't look half bad. What the huh?
Your physical
Is that a
examinations
bug or
are
something?
complete.
What the hell?
We can now take you on a tour. This is our HQ. She is the pinnacle of human science and technology. Originium-powered multi-surface vessel, Dijong. There was a time when we were close to losing Dijong, but we followed your lead and saved the ship. Dijong survived the day. Ever since then, we've kept her at low orbit and minimum power. We're now repairing Dijong using ground-supplied materials. The ship is also where we develop new technologies.
Sorry. I remember nothing at all.
Don't blame yourself, Administrator. Follow me.
Personnel verification system still offline. The general functions look okay to me.
A majestic world, isn't it?
I saw it in my memories. It's...
Talos 2. Our home. Everyone calls Talos 2 a planet. But truth be told, it's actually the second moon of the planet named Talos. Much about Talos 2 remains a mystery to us. We're also facing enemies that once threatened our entire civilization. But since you're here, I believe that Endfield is capable of overcoming these challenges. You once carried this piece of Originium with you everywhere. Every Specialist Tech Division operator carries a piece of proto-rig. The mineral helps teleprotocol triangulation. This is your very own proto-rig, and it carries secrets. Only privy to you.
It's responding to my call. And it seems to know me really well.
Everything we need for our survival would be impossible without Originium. The mineral powers our machines, and is the basis of the arts we wield.
I feel like
When we first
Originium
arrived at
would be a
Talos 2,
better.
we planted
better name.
Originium upon this new world. The spark from our distant origins was meant to create a new place to call home. But war destroyed our first landing. Though we achieved victory, we paid a bloody toll that left us battered and ruined. To revive our civilization, you led Endfield and developed the proto-rig technology, as well as its ultimate evolution, the Protocol Automation Core.
Damn, I'm so
The
smart.
fruits of our labor.
Yes. Our plan is to deploy
I wanted to say
automation
that
cores
they
throughout the
did
civilization band.
conversations better than both Genshin
This will
or
boost our industrial capacity
Koyo and Kuro,
and
but
fulfill its special mission.
they have awkward pauses
Special
as well.
mission.
Reboot of life. Someone very important commissioned us with the Zeroth Directive.
What I think with these
Your
games that you
awakening,
like need
as well as the mission and plan I mentioned,
like 5
are
hours
part of
of
it.
play to actually unlock the gameplay and the game. That's the only problem with games like this.
Who commissioned it?
You. Oh,
You did.
Oh, you did. Fuck. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I'm a dumbass. Listen to me. Fuck, I forgot to do something.
Supervisor Perlica, we got a situation. Is the administrator by your side?
Yes, the Endman is with me. What's happening, Fiona?
We got a max level alert. Our planned landing zone. No, the entirety of Valley 4 is in danger. Just moments ago, simultaneous self-destruction occurred to the orbital landing relay drone squadrons. The communication blackout is expanding towards Valley 4, and the status of facilities along the route is now unverifiable. At the same time, we are picking up extremely intense angeloid energy signals in the affected area. We are hailing the hub base on every channel. So far, they haven't responded. The whole place is offline. The plan was to bring the Endman to the base in 10 days. But the hub...
We can't wait that long. Fiona, prep for my drop at once.
Wait, now? Okay, I'll run the checks. There's surface interference. Current situation is too risky. Unguided emergency drops might deviate. We'll drop you to the area near the base, out of concern for safety.
Director Chen and Andre are at the hub base. In accordance with the contingency plan, they will take control of the scene as critical events happen. Fiona, keep hailing the hub base, regardless of whether we've received any response from them. Inform them that I'm coming soon. Also, tell Operator Chen to rendezvous with me there.
Roger, we're prepping your drop. Initiating alignment. Target, Valley 4. All systems green for landing.
Fire away. Destination, Talos 2.
Need a progress update, Fiona. I'm still trying to re-establish contact. Wait, Perlica! We have multiple unknown objects coming in fast! Watch out!
Anchors?
Can I call on?
Hold on tight, Endman.
Oh, not... Bro, no, there. Hold on around her, my man, please. Oh my god. Okay, we shouldn't have held. Well, that was okay. Should have held on to her, man. Motorcycle. I gotta say, their enemies are absolutely dumb looking and
Stay close to me,
stupid, but
Administrator.
yeah, I know the team combat's quite different. Not a bit.
Take this! Take this!
Right, man! Administrator, you alright? Are you hurt?
You described me as a god and now you're asking if I'm good from fighting like mobs.
I'm okay, but we'll have to walk the rest of the way. The angle I even
We can't
managed to
talk
reach
just
this
like the other
place.
MCs, I guess.
The situation in the
Well,
field is far more severe than our previous estimates.
Yeah, warm welcome to
I-
Talos too.
Actually hoped for a gentler reception than this. The hub base still isn't picking up our calls. We need to hurry. This Angelos looks dangerous. We need to be cautious. We can focus our attacks to bring down its defenses.
It's a level 1, it can't be that bad.
Take. This ends.
That's it, Administrator. Let's use the same tactics to take down the remaining enemies.
Take this! Gotcha! This ends now! Gotcha!
The gate looks severely damaged.
Yeah,
I don't think we
that's
can
gonna
open it, Administrator. Let's look for another way around this.
And that looks like a just. Yeah, you know, yes, I can jump over this.
Our security division is fighting hard to keep the threat at bay.
Okay, yes.
We must hurry.
So we need to go this way then.
This rope looks sturdy. Some of the survivors probably left it here.
Damn, we have
Hello?
angels.
Hello? Dr. Chin isn't picking up the call. Forget it. Let's just get ourselves out of here.
Maybe we should use this rope. But it's a long climb up there.
Zip it and start climbing if you want to live. Quickly! Something's coming! Ah!
But you could wings, why don't you just fly up?
This should be the way. Let's continue, Entman. That is an anchor. Anchors are capable of spawning angeloid. They pose a major threat to Talos 2. We must find the survivors. Quickly. We need to break through here ASAP. Time to adopt team combat tactics.
Take.
Arcs unit, hot. Seize the chance to press the attack. Our strikes are more effective when we coordinate. Let's take down these enemies together, Endman.
Engage.
Arcs unit,
Gotcha. Face your Take this.
target locked.
Get crushed. Watch this.
Arcs unit, hot. Forward. The damages are so severe. Director Chin has always kept the hub base in good order. But if she lost control of the area, things inside the base could get bad. I hope for the safety of our people. Look there, Endman. We must act now.
I was kind of hoping to try and pick up those yellow things. Well, okay.
Like this nonsense. We got a big one incoming. Get to
The
cover.
hell is
Fall
that?
like ring rope.
Lead them to us. Carefully.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be using Warcon.
Ready to strike. Crystallize. Show's over.
Yeah, the furries are gonna love
Supervisor
this game.
You arrived at just the right time. Our temporary defenses have been breached. If you weren't here...
And I'm glad that you're all right, Director Chin. I believe you have a sit rep for me.
Yes. An anchor fell right into the base. The thing won't stop spawning the Angoloi. We've sent all our injured personnel to the control tower. There are just too many Angoloi, and they will overrun our security division eventually.
We must find a way to stop the anchor.
Supervisor Perlica, may I ask who this...
Ah, of course. This is our administrator.
Administrator? Are we talking about the Administrator?
I wonder how do people talk about me. Just curious.
Apologies. Many operators in Valley 4 have never seen you before, Endman. News of your awakening gave rise to plenty of gossip and rumors. When we received the message from Dijon, the entire crew tried to plan a welcoming ceremony, but just a few days later, we were suddenly attacked. I didn't expect you to arrive here in the midst of the battle.
We're here to help, Director Chin.
Who to end it
Do we have any news about the missing
other
personnel?
than me?
How many of our people are outside the base?
Perlica.
It's hard to say.
Now.
The Angoloi just kept attacking.
Cat
Security
name.
Division can only maintain a limited security perimeter.
People here are in danger. I suggest we delay our earlier arrangements, Administrator.
Yeah, let's thank them. Sure.
Good, Administrator. I knew you would say that. Director Chin, we'll handle the hostiles in the base and direct any of your missing staff to the control tower for safety.
Wonderful. Your help will set my mind at ease. Good luck out there.
By the way, I'm not seeing Mr. Andre anywhere. Where is he right now?
Ugh, that silly old man. He went off trying to be a hero again. That fool never stops treating his projects with far more respect than his own feathery hide. Anyway, if you see that old fool, tie him up and haul him back to the control tower. This might be the only safe place left in the base.
We'll find him. Have faith in us. The anchor at the old factory is still spawning Angoloi. We must first eliminate this threat. Time to initiate our mission, Endman.
Is the main character only non-furry character in the game? Oh, it's just like the danger center, but keep him up.
The stabilizing core of the anchor is its weakness. Take that out, and the entire construct will disintegrate. The core itself is fragile,
Every
but the real
freaking
challenge is the
character
Angoloi swarming around it. A tough fight is inevitable.
is a furry. Damn! What a game. Yeah, I'm surely not gonna brag about playing this. Especially not to one of my friends.
A cluster of smaller Angoloi. We must stop them.
What? I can switch characters?
Ready to strike. Crystallize! Engage!
Of course I want to be a cat girl and not a guy.
Stay strong, people! We're winning! Two more! Stay in the fight!
Are you all right?
Supervisor Perlica. Thank goodness you're finally here.
For a Harry
We
Potter.
assembled here after the
Oh.
anchor fall and managed to hold on to this place. Okay, I guess
Harry
we
Potter.
held on to this place until 5 minutes ago.
Head to the control tower for safety. Quickly.
I understand, but I must tend to the wounded. Wait, you're injured as well.
No, we're not.
This is where we grow buckflowers. Buckflower powder is a common pharmaceutical ingredient, and it's easy to make. Take some. They'll come in useful.
Let's use it on her as well, why not?
This will give me a peace of mind. I'll stay here and care for the injured for now, and then join up with Director Ching when we could start moving again. I look forward to your good news.
Yeah, no, you need this, but
Facing more Angler. They must be neutralized so we can push through.
Watch this!
We're ready. Here's our chance!
Ready to strike. Crystallize!
I guess we need to destroy this somehow.
Commence L7. Annihilate it!
I want to strike this one, but
This ends
This is the anchor, but its core is not here.
should we try breaking the structure?
No. All active anchors give off that light. This anchor plunged itself deep underground. That's where its core should be. I've seen the hub base building plans. This old factory should have an underground floor that we could reach. If this basement area is stable, we should be able to reach and destroy the anchor core. Let's go, Endman. This should be the way. Landbreakers? What are they doing here?
And who might be the Landbreakers?
We getting ugly.
Okay.
Ready to strike. Crystallize. Take this.
Look there, Endman. We must act now.
Why, tell us! Supervisor Perlica! The anchor! Take out the anchor!
Take this.
Your end awaits.
Take this.
This guy is furry on another level, man.
Special Operator Chen. Am I the
And
first
then
to
we
arrive
have
or
a
what?
Dragon Fury. Oh, I mean Dragon Fury. Damn, she's cute.
Nicely done, Endman. And thank goodness you arrived on time, Chen.
Awesome, right? What do you think of that move?
I feel like her voice actor is March 7th or March 8th? March 7th, I think she's called. She's nice and deadly, very impressive. Yeah, thumbs up.
I'll show you an even deadlier killer move next time. A single swing will take anything out, guaranteed. Administrator, I'm Chen Chen-yu, or Chen for short. If you got a problem you need trimming, my blade is yours to command.
Well met. Pleasure working with you.
Oh, Perlica also told me about you. Every time she mentions the Endman, she just goes on and on and on.
We should check on Mr. Andre.
I don't know who put Andre together, but goddamn, that
This hurts.
issues of
Andre.
another kind.
Are you alright?
Oh,
The lab. The prototype. Enemies! Did you fight them off? You are... Endman! You're really back! I thought you'd be here 10 days later. You're not hurt, are you? And what's with the mask? Never mind that. Thank goodness you're back. Endman, it's been 10 years. We finally did it. We cracked the project you left behind. Puccini and Popov can finally rest in peace. During their final moments, they lamented that they couldn't deliver this solution into your hands.
Endman, this is Mr. Andre, our resident endfield technical expert at this site. He is also the chief engineer of the Automated Industry Complex.
Huh? What's with the formal intro, Supervisor Perlica? Wait, did Endman really forget?
my memory loss is very relative.
This isn't fair. Why? Why does suffering always happen to... No.
We should set aside the details for later. Now, Mr. Andre, why did you risk your safety to rush to this place?
That's because I saw the anchor crashing into the old factory. So I rushed over here to check if the prototype was all right. Look, here it is.
Is this the contraption you were protecting? It looks really expensive. You must have spent quite a bit of time on it.
It would be unfair to say that this is my work. A friend of mine left this prototype to me. I'm very grateful that you came here and saved it. Now that the anchor has been taken out, there shouldn't be any more Angaloi around. We should quickly get our base back up and running.
Leave it to us. By the way, Director Chin requests your immediate return to the control tower.
Oh, so, what was she like when she asked about me? Was she angry? Oh, dear. I'm finished.
This is an all-channel broadcast. I repeat, this is an all-channel broadcast. All security division combatants are to assemble at the base entrance ASAP. I repeat, assemble at the base entrance ASAP. Over.
I believe Director Chin needs help at her place.
Go and assemble. I'll be with you shortly once I'm done checking the machines.
So we got
Chen will
another
keep Mr. Andre
prototype?
safe.
No,
Let's go
I
and
wanted,
support Director Chin.
I wanted her to come with us.
Those landbreakers. Were they here to loot our base amidst the chaos, but showing up
Probably.
right after the anchor fall? That's Too much of a coincidence. Things could be more complex than we thought.
They're not furries though. So am I like a bad guy? Because I'm not a furry, like the rest of you.
Our original plan was to deploy the protocol automation core nearby and run some tests, but with the hub base severely damaged, we need to get it up and running first. What's going on, Director Chin? Landbreakers. And so many of them.
This isn't the worst of it. Look over there.
That place. It's the deployment area we reserved for the automation core.
From the scale of the rising smoke columns, the deployment area has completely fallen. This area was completely surrounded by Angoloi, yet these bandits still got through. How did they manage to slip in without anyone noticing?
Those landbreakers we encountered were probably just their vanguard. Director Chin, is there anything we can use?
Security Division gathered as much intel as they could. I'll sync it with you. We have yet to recover from the anchor fall. Power's still out, and we've taken heavy casualties. The Angoloi destroyed many backup cables. Our systems are failing. The attacking landbreakers have been confirmed as the Bone Crushers. Their objective remains unclear at present. But their assault was too well timed to be accidental. If the current situation persists, we will not be able to successfully deploy the automation core. We can use the resonance tower to activate Originium for power, but its energy cost is steep. It won't last long.
We have another option available. If we can deploy the PAC, we can restore base operations.
You mean, we power the resonance tower with the PAC?
Yes. We can use the AIC to set up a power transmission relay. Once the resonance tower is activated, the base will get some respite.
But there are so many landbreakers along the way. If only we could weaken them.
Of course we can! Landbreakers? You got a team of pros, Director Chin. Enman, you saw what I did, right? I know tons about fighting these scummy LBs.
I'm afraid my creaky bones won't let me swing a weapon. But I can still offer plenty of help with the automation core.
But should we come up with a more foolproof plan? There are just so many LBs outside.
Have faith in us, Director Chin. I'm not just the supervisor of Endfield Industries. I'm also the acting lead of the Endfield Crisis Team.
I'm part of it too! Excited to work with you, Enman. I'm sure there's a lot I can learn from you.
I hear Originium singing.
Give me the front row this time! I want to be the first out of the door! Alrighty! Now let's go and teach those pipe faces what happens when you mess with Endfield.
Administrator, I'd actually prefer it if you can just stay and rest here. Fighting the Landbreakers is very different from fighting the Angoloi. The conditions of your health...
And don't worry about it. I can handle them. I can handle
Much
them in my sleep.
appreciated, Endman. So, we have a conclusion, Director Chin. The Crisis Team will whittle down enemy forces, deploy the PAC at the designated site, and transmit power back to base with relay towers to restore base operations. Mr. Andre, I'll contact you once the roads are clear. Apologies for forcing you to travel into the wildlands, but we will need your help.
No problem. I feel so much better knowing I can finally help everyone properly this time.
Stop puffing up your feathers, old man. Administrator, Supervisor Prolica, and Operator Chen, do be careful out there. Before I forget, the TP point is not part of the base's power system. If there's something more that you can handle, just head back to base and rest. We're counting on you. Endman, let's first activate the teleprotocol point. TP points will let the team move around faster, and... Andre just updated me about your condition. Please keep yourself safe out there.
Didn't I activate it? So I can just like drop things here. Oh, okay. Let's put it here because I have only the... That's there. Okay. Okay, let's see what we have. Vertical path. You're not buying that. Unfortunately... Okay, I hate when games add like a super premium one. Okay, so these are somewhat obtainable. Or not really. No, 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 no. Originalmetry. Okay. So that's these things. And I can only get them from the original supply. 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, 32. Okay. So basically you gotta buy it the first time and then it'll be available to you every time. Every time you activate it and get to the level 60. Sounds like too much of a hassle. But it's not a bad way to do it. I'm completely nothing. Why is this still ahead? Okay. Sure. New horizons. Okay, so this is the premium unit. This is like the starter pack probably. Okay, I want to be pulling later though. We're not gonna pull just now. Just yet. Okay. She actually looks better without a mask than him, but fortunately I don't wanna go as a guy for now. And how do I scan for the area? Settings. This thing. When it press F to be precise, that's very annoying. This was the I was expecting to do that.
Still waiting for something?
Operator Prolica, standing by.
Watch this!
I like her.
So, this? And follow up with this. All right, I got it.
Okay, we're gonna keep those because we're probably gonna get better weapons along the way. So I wanna upgrade something that I'm never gonna use.
Wow, those landbreakers are giving us a show of force. It's rare to see LBs this arrogant.
Of the 3 major landbreaker clans, the Bone Crushers are the ones who actively respect violence. According to intel from the SOW, this clan has suddenly stopped their extended infighting and launched multiple raids on other minor factions. We don't have any further intel yet. The only thing we can confirm is that a leader has emerged and united the entire Bone Crusher clan.
Get up some food.
Only by walking upon the land can we truly appreciate every breath and pulse of life. And this.
Support right here in our town. Take this.
Good work, everyone.
Come get some, you blight-eating scabs! Workers of the UW will never back down!
He's with the UWST. We've got to save him first.
Yeah, we're going.
We getting bugged?
Seriously, you can jump over there?
Let's do this together! Face your Take this!
Are you Lara? Did you get hurt?
Ooh, I'm okay. Those LB scab eaters won't beat me that easily. Wait, you're Enfielders. I saw that anchor fall right into your base. I was just thinking about helping you out.
Yeah. How's the UAVs, whatever, doing?
The Angaloy and LBs kept trying to get into this place while tearing apart everything we built. We could barely hold them, and had no choice but to beat a fighting retreat. Anyway, appreciate the help. I gotta fix our facilities here. Once I'm done with that, I'll go bandit smashing with my hammer right here. I still have 2 buddies out there. If you see an Alafia and Fort, tell them to bring their arsenal. I'll get myself ready for a major slugfest.
These minerals make my head.
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should gather more.
You didn't expect this, right? My special sword for rocky stuff.
These minerals may come in handy.
No, 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 no. Why is that a thing?
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should gather more.
What's this?
Didn't expect this, right? My special swordsmanship for rocky stuff.
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should gather more.
What's this?
These minerals may come in handy.
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry.
What's this?
These minerals may come in handy.
I can't
Didn't expect this, right? My special swordsmanship for rocky stuff.
Okay.
Hey,
Engaging.
Sterilize this area! Here's our challenge!
Good work, everyone.
Too much she's a 4-star shit. It looks the part of a
Engaging.
older
Stay
character.
safe.
Leave now and play! Here's our challenge! Take this!
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
what?
Violence is ne-
Shows over.
Support right, here's our challenge! Here's your chance,
Hey, she's a toast sword user.
Good work, everyone.
That's nice.
Joining the party? Oh, you're enfielders. I thought you were with them.
Yes, we're enfielders. You're wounded, and... Did you do all this?
I probably did. I got no ideas on fighting the buggerloids, but these raiders... pfft, all muscle but no brains. I fought worthy opponents in the underground arenas of the asphalt roundabout.
We're trying to create a safe route to the hub base. You can go there to receive medical treatment.
Great. Oh, by the way, I kindly asked this pipeface here a few questions before he passed out. Blightbrain could hardly form a coherent sentence, but he sounds northern. I could faintly make out signs of trouble up north, but I have other business to take care of here.
North? There is a refugee camp north of here trying to work for the UWST. But these raiders came from that direction too?
Greetings!
That's a 5-star.
I'm your operator from Rhodes Island, codenamed Snowshine. I'm a search and rescue expert specializing in low-temperature operations. Get me on the team.
Okay, never mind. I messed it up. These are the guides. And I'm gonna load these up again at some point. I mean, that's great, but how do I activate it? Doesn't really. Say press this button and activate or whatever. I'm gonna turn around again now. Just this once.
A blade unsheathed, it's light unleashed! Here's our chance! My turn!
Face your ass!
Outstanding technique.
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
I forgot to put in
Over here, Edmund! Wanna come snowboarding with me, Edmund? These records offer valuable references. They give me plenty of ideas for future SAR operations.
Where is the...
Enfield won't stop progressing.
Waiting for your orders, Administrator. I'll protect everyone.
The raiders have taken a UWST crewmate prisoner. We must defeat them.
Face your ass! What's this? What's this?
Commence L7, annihilate!
What's this?
Thank you so much. I got jumped by these pipe-faced rascals. Darn it. That was embarrassing.
Rascals? Well, landbreakers can be rather dangerous to the ordinary folk, you know.
Dangerous indeed. You look like endfielders. I guess you took care of your anchor problem.
Our base is safe for now. However, we also had to fight off an unexpected landbreaker raid. We are out here to solve the issue.
Solve the issue? That means every last one of those breaker scum, right?
I am totally for that. But I guess our priority is to secure the roads. Since so many of our people are injured, we should restore base operations first.
Agreed. You bail me out of a bad sitch. I won't let that happen again. I'll head back once I verify the facilities are all right. If you see my 2 other brothers out there, tell them to look for me.
Something in.
Here's our tip! Right there! Right deflect!
Verify and report personal status, team.
We handled that fight well.
Is she cooking something? Can I cook something? Not necessarily, yes. Here.
Cut the wires, you break the switches here, you smash the crates! Don't let boss. I'll go get him! Hold him off, boys! Fresh meat! We got fresh meat coming! Draw steel, boys! Crush him! Crush him all!
Show's over.
Here's our tip! Take this!
We're all around you!
Got it.
Face your ass!
These LBs really aren't scared of anything, huh? Are you alright?
I see a good opportunity of some warm-ups.
This is strange. The landbreakers have built a camp here, but they did not loot the nearby areas.
That means we kept most of our stuff, right? Sounds like good news to me.
But it makes no sense. These raiders often raid various sites and settlements for essential resources. I was expecting to see devastation.
So you're saying that they left most of the loot nearby, but stayed put here? It's not raiding. More like occupying.
Occupying?
Endman? Supervisor Perlica? I'm on my way with the cleanup crew. Please wait for us.
Oh, it's Big Owl. Wait, he didn't mention my name?
We'll talk about the landbreakers later. Our priority is to deploy the automation core. Since Andre and his crew are arriving soon, we can clean this site of their illegal and unwanted structures.
legs are giving out. This physical work almost got me killed. Anyway, this place is cleaned up. No time to lose now. Let's get started.
Whoa, let's just take it easy. You seem super excited today.
Of course I am. Our goal in coming to the hub base is to prepare the AIC factory. We gotta run it through a field test and production trials. Though I must admit, I never expected to do it under such dire circumstances.
Supervisor Perlica, we've received your protocol application and verified all access authority levels. You may issue the order for PAC deployment anytime now.
Understood. The Endman and I shall initiate deployment at once. Endman, the PAC is protected by the highest levels of encryption. Only you can authorize its deployment.
How do you work?
Everything is now in place. Let us begin.
I'm guessing that's what's gonna make map
Woohoo! That's wonderful! It's just
visible
like what I've
in the
envisaged.
corner.
We can totally deploy the PAC further north and push into the frontiers. Sorry. I just got a little too excited. Whew.
With the Protocol Automation Core deployed, this place is now the core AIC area. We can begin setting up our teleprotocol network. The AIC factory will need the core AIC area to perform production work. It will also be able to support and satisfy resource needs in its area.
Sounds like a very practical idea.
Now that we've seen the stars, we should plant our feet on solid ground. You reminded us with this line on more than one occasion. Don't worry, Endman. We have not forgotten your lesson. The Protocol Automation Core and the entire AIC factory it supports will give rise to new hope.
I'm gonna give the automation core a few tweaks. Just deploy the relay towers and transmit power to the protocol resonance tower. This will let us force restart the Originium power facilities within the hub base.
I've allocated a batch of relay tower from our stockpile. We can now deploy these facilities anytime at the required locations.
Wow, that sounds awesome! How does it work?
Oh, you can treat it as a form of facility printing based on the properties of Originium. As for what the automation core can really do, this is just the tip of the iceberg. By using the reverse internalization technology, the automation core can serve even greater purposes. But right now, let's focus on the problem at hand.
Entering core AIC area.
So, what do people think about Talos 2?
Looking back, the civilization band has come a long way. We've carved out a long history in this perilous...
Nicely done. Our next step is to start power transmission from the PAC. Endman! Just plug the cable in right here!
Both the PAC and relay towers seem to be in working order. Now, we just need to deploy more relay towers and transmit power to the resonance tower.
Well, looks like my work here is done. Supervisor Perlica, I guess I'll head over there to do some inspection work. Using the protocol resonance tower to force activate Originium might damage our facilities. If we're not careful with this, we might fry every Originium facility in the area.
Okay then. Time to split our forces. Completing the automated industry complex is a top priority for Enfield Industries. It is our core solution for dealing with the hazards of Talos 2. Enfield completed basic verifications of the PAC technology several years ago. However, we encountered a crucial bottleneck that delayed our progress. Until recently. Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Take this! Here's our chance!
Commence AL7. Annihilation! The battle has ended. Let's take a break while we still can.
These minerals may come in handy.
Right there!
We're almost there, Endman.
I guess the power is back online.
Tell the boss. Enfield has arrived.
These look absolutely stupid.
Their administrator has taken notice of us. All the boss's predictions have come true.
good. Connection interfaces look normal. I was worried about compatibility issues between our old and new equipment.
I thought you Enfielders would never finish that project of yours, but you just deployed it in a flash. This tech is incredible.
We now only need a single night to construct a proper shelter in the wildlands. This is the future that we want to achieve with our AIC factory technology. What was once our dream has finally made a major stride forward.
You did a great job, Big Owl. Oh, I mean, Mr. Andre.
Oh, why so polite today, Master Chen? You got my feathers tingling and fluffed. I can hardly recall the last time you called me Mr. Andre.
I've always been like this.
Endman, Supervisor Perlica, power is back online at the hub base. Thank you so much.
Roger that, Director Chin. The automation core is working well. Perhaps we can run a few more tests. Is there anything else we can help with?
Yes, we could definitely use the support. The comms node is still under repair, so we can't contact other regions yet. And we're short-handed across the entire hub. Right now, the biggest problem is the Originium byproduct processing center. If anything happens to that place, the results could be disastrous. I'm forwarding information on the site to you.
This will probably be my last mission of the day.
Wait. The Angeloy wouldn't cause this kind of damage. Maybe the Landbreakers had their eyes on something inside.
What's in the byproduct you mentioned? Another important project of yours?
Byproducts include all sorts of things you can think of. But Originium batteries would be the most important. I guess the LBs are after that. Let's set aside how many these raiders stole for now. The worst part is that they know little about the safe handling of flammable and explosive materials. Things will be catastrophic if they accidentally set off an Originium explosion.
Someone must have planned and coordinated this Landbreaker attack on our base. The underground lab, the protocol automation core deployment area, and now, the byproduct processing center. Landbreakers usually wouldn't consider these as prime targets for looting and raiding.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's head over right now and check out what those pipe-faced bandits are after.
The photo tells me that the processing center has suffered severe damage. We must repair the local infrastructure first. Otherwise, we can't ensure the safety of subsequent support and repair operations.
This is where the AIC factory comes in. Let's head on over to the core AIC area right now.
Alright, now the escape actually works like something.
Entering core AIC area.
Okay.
Judging by how bad that gate looks, the facilities inside are probably damaged too. We must prepare some materials for carrying out emergency repairs. I recommend the Origo crust. It's the most common material for producing all kinds of machinery and equipment. The very nature of Originium makes it the quintessential material for industry and engineering.
Wow, if it's that useful, I'm guessing we've got a whole warehouse full of it, right?
Yeah, we, just happen to have used up the local stash. Nobody expected that anchor fall to hit right in the middle of our base. There was so much damage that we needed to fix. That being said, we have to start from square one and do some manual mining. I'll prep various AIC facilities while you head out there and gather some Originium ore. You'll see plenty of ore formations and trees in the wilderness of Talos too. Since we lack proper gathering tools, I suppose we can hit them with our weapons.
Nice! I guess it's time to show the Endmen my new moves.
Core AIC area.
Good. We have enough Originium ore, Endman. Now let's get started making Origo crusts. I've readied the facilities. We should deploy them near the PAC to start our work. Construction complete! We can now activate the refining unit.
Yeah, I'm gonna hate this probably. This ends up becoming a norm.
Enman, you're an incredible learner. So, these are the basics of using the AIC. Keep them in mind, and they'll come in handy. Oh, perhaps incredible learner would be the wrong way to put it. After all, it was you who... forget it. Anyway, you can start moving again once you're ready. Now that we have these materials, we can still salvage the Originium machinery, as long as it's not completely destroyed. We better hurry.
Big Owl? Besides those batteries, is there something else you're worried about in the processing center?
Yeah, Chen. You got really sharp senses. Please direct them somewhere else next time. I actually left a set of parts and some key documents for the prototype's upgrades. If I lose them, I won't be able to wrap up my work on the prototype.
Important documents? Mr. Andre, you could have told us earlier. Director Chin would have...
Oh, you started the project without Director Chin's approval, didn't you?
No, it's not like that. It's fine. The evaluation process can be a real bummer. So I spent my own money and got someone to custom build a set of special equipment. These are actually modification parts for a large area arts unit. Oh dear. If Chin learns of this, she's gonna have a really long talk with me. But I can't just delay the progress of the prototype project. It will be such a waste. Enman, Supervisor Perlica, please. You must understand.
We understand. Let's move out as soon as we can, Endman.
Thank you so much. By the way, some operators just set up a few zip lines in this area. Use them. They'll help you get around faster. Shared facilities left by others are temporary. Feel free to try them out if you want.
She looks super cute. I usually go place by place, but I wanna finish this mission as quickly as I can, and then game.
This looks way worse than the photo.
Something's not right. They smashed the circuitry when the gate was closed. Those inside probably want to keep everyone out.
Okay. Guess I don't need these. I need all of these. So I can keep one stack. Oh, want to go inside. Okay.
These Origo crusts really saved us some trouble. We have Mr. Andre to thank for that. Look, the Landbreakers really turned this place upside down. They seem to be looking for something.
Wait, don't tell me that the LBs are really after the parts. What would they use them for?
They're all the crewmates.
I hope they have evacuated to safety. Perhaps we should do another sweep just to be sure. Give the area a scan, Endman. The scanner might be able to locate some useful information.
How do I use it again? I guess I need to bring the grid in or something. pushed outside? No. I can jump on it, or yeah. Okay. I think I know what I'm gonna do. What is this one for though? Maybe I can jump over the fence. A lot quicker getting out, but yep, I guess that was it.
Footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
There must be somewhere. Boss wants the crate. Oh, God. When you search this place again, keep looking. I'll poke around in other places. Hear that sound?
What is going on button?
Once known, be dead.
No second chance.
Everyone's giving their all. I've got to step up too.
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
What?
Here's our chance. Ready to strike. Take this! Target locked!
We made enough.
The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a crate to hop on. Don't be afraid. We are the Endfield Crisis Team. You're now safe.
Why do you have to?
Yeah, we totally defeated those landbreakers. They'll trouble you no more.
Oh, thank you all. We're finally safe.
Our security cameras found the landbreaker mobs heading this way. We stopped our work immediately, then took this set of equipment and the accompanying technical documents with us.
We got no idea what it's for, but the packaging label says it's top priority. It's covered in Enfield logos. You came for this, right? Guess we really did save something important.
This is it. This is the set of prototype parts that Mr. Andre mentioned. Thank you. The two of you acted in a decisive and timely manner to save a key asset of Enfield Industries. Now that it's been recovered, I shall relay your actions to the site director.
Great. Oh, we also found a few other things. These combat records might be useful to you. Please take them.
Over here, Edmund!
Yeah, the moment everything is gonna stay the same as this. Oh, shit. weapon there, switch, there is a better weapon here. Might actually be her own weapon.
Wonderful performance, and it's also usable in extreme environments.
It is quite probably her weapon, because I doubt I got it any other way. Okay.
Since the landbreakers are gone, we should start the emergency repairs. They should last until the base sends more people and materials for a proper makeover. You know, we really appreciate all the help you gave us, my endfielder friends. Things look good for now.
You stop! Drop the loot! That crate! It's ours!
Hear that sound? We getting buggers.
Let's do this together, lads!
Support rep. Here's our chance. Here's your chance, Edmund. Another chance. We're fighting
Whew, they just won't give up. What is it, Perlica? Thinking about something?
Those landbreakers. You heard what they said. Their leader is looking for the parts and the documents.
But why would the LBs want the documents? I mean, can they even understand this stack of technobabble?
What's even more suspicious is Mr. Andre mentioned that he ordered and paid for the Originium modification parts himself. How would the landbreakers acquire such information?
This is a prototype for anyway.
Mr. Andre should know more than us. Enfield has worked together with the UWST for quite a while. We often carry out joint engineering projects together. The UWST has spent years researching the ether rift of Valley 4. They have constructed an ether test site at the power plateau for this purpose. Though it does make little sense, I have a feeling that these landbreakers are indeed looking for our technology and products. We'll get to the bottom of this afterwards. The good news is that we successfully secured the processing center and recovered the parts and the documents. We should head back to Mr. Andre. Endman, the automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury we don't really have. So let's try using teleprotocol and get back to the automation core instantly. Now that everything's settled, I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling him.
No, not what I meant. She doesn't care, it seems. Yeah, it seems she doesn't care.
Uh-huh.
Not all characters care for you looking in at their back.
Entering core AIC area.
Mr. Andre, we found the things you need. We also met a few fortunate UWST crewmates who survived. They're now carrying out repairs in accordance with their contingency plans.
Wonderful, Endman and Supervisor Perlica. I'll give Director Chin an update regarding the situation at the processing center. Oh, by the way, you probably saw plenty of damaged facilities in the hub area. Most of them can be fixed with Origo crusts. And that will mean we need to gather a lot more Originium ore. Now, I don't want to dent Master Chen's legendary Hangshan blades, so I prepped a few auto-mining rigs while you carried out your mission. This, Endman, is the Enfield Portable Originium rig. Just deploy it on a mining spot, and it will mine the ore automatically for you. Go ahead and try it out on a nearby mining spot.
The portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated ore to power itself. This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining spot.
Nice.
Entering core AIC area.
Endman, we can now produce Origo crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the refining unit.
Fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype. Enman, make sure you're here to witness its awakening. Don't miss it. Promise you'll be here to see it.
The landbreakers seem to be...
Landbreakers?
Yeah.
Why would they want these things? T11 Originium prisms are highly fragile. Same goes for the high-precision nucleic crystal centers. If handled by untrained personnel, they can be easily damaged. The prototype is an experimental tech we developed for the ether side. To the landbreakers, it's probably just a hunk of scrap.
It seems odd and rather suspicious to me.
Yeah, quite odd indeed. Maybe some landbreakers thought, hey, that looks expensive, and figured they could flip it on the black market. Anyway, since we've retrieved the crucial items, let's focus on the matter at hand. We should also update each other if we find anything new.
Endman, I received Andre's message. Good job out there. A team to reinforce the Originium byproduct processing center is en route. The arsenal is the objective of our next mission. I couldn't get in touch with our arsenal engineer. The entrance of the arsenal was blocked by a collapsed building during the attack. Our closest enfielder is investigating the site as we speak. She should be in touch with you soon.
Edmund, we got a high payload situation on our hands.
Maybe.
We don't have enough people to clean up the collapsed building, and we couldn't bring in the heavy machinery. The only solution left is to up the yield and blast it all to pieces. I wonder if the crisis team could do me a favor and get me some of that Originium powder? I'll wait for you at the arsenal entrance.
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to make it, right?
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral ores, metals, plants, it doesn't matter. You name it, it shreds it. This is your penultimate shredding solution, proudly designed by Enfield Industries. Head to the PAC and use it to construct a shredding unit. The PAC is meeting all our expectations so far. We just don't have a lot of numbers from field operations. We're counting on you to generate the data, Enman. Try to deploy the shredding unit close to the PAC.
Core AIC area.
Enman, activate the shredding unit control panel to check how it's used. Simple and intuitive, right? It shares the same basic control panel as the refining unit. I say it's time to shred some Originium ore to powder.
Okay. This is gonna be nearing the end of today's play. Maybe I will play it a little bit tomorrow. We'll see. Well, let's do this one. I think that means there's a 5-star incoming. Probably.
Oxy 7 Skirmisher, Fluorite.
Oh, we got
Got
Bell.
anything to say? No? How about we just call it a day?
Antal of Op Z7 reporting for duty. I've studied Originium automation and occasionally help with modifying or repairing Originium devices. You may approach me for such tasks.
Captain Akikuri of Operation Team Z7 reporting in. The operations dossier, budget
That's a
summary,
lot of
and action
characters.
plan are ready for review. Which would you like to read first?
Oxy 7 Skirmisher, Fluoride. Got anything to say? No? How about we just call it a day?
Captain Akikuri of Operation Team Z7 reporting in. The operations dossier, budget summary.
Oxy 7 Skirmisher, Fluoride.
A lot
Got
of your
anything
bells.
to say?
Antal of Op Z7 reporting for duty. I've...
Captain Akikuri of Operation Team Z.
Why do I have to do this again? Greetings, Administrator. I'm Estella. And please don't give me physically intensive assignments. Thank you.
I have always believed that you will lead us upon the right path
She's a
once more.
5-star?
Welcome back to Enfield Industries, Administrator.
I thought she was a 4-star. Well, that's nice. Yeah, I guess I'll get those more of those at some point. Oh no, I can't get these, I guess. But we're not gonna pull because these don't transfer over, and I don't wanna pull on something and make a mistake. We may pull here something, they will see. But for now, that's not really something I'm looking for. No. Okay.
We got the powder. Time to head to the arsenal. I haven't had proper fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling.
If I'm not mistaken, the local arsenal is managed by an arsenal engineer from Endfield.
Arsenal engineer? I remember seeing a little girl who was always running around with weapons in her arms back in Enfield. Are they related?
The arsenal engineers of Enfield Industries are professionals in all forms of armaments. The little girl you saw is actually their director. I'll properly introduce our arsenal director once we find the time. I'm sure she will get along with you and our Endman.
Okay, but that's gonna be like
Over
a
here,
tomato.
Edmund!
Prepped and ready to go.
Okay. Okay, she got none, but she got one. That's powerful. Okay. Okay, that's probably where I can buy things. I'm guessing this is a weapon for the main character. Interesting. I mean, I definitely should wait until I can buy a 5-star or 6-star one. Yeah. Well, okay. That's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow I might play it a little, but I'm not completely sure. We'll see. Anyways, bye.